As yesterday, we apparently released this controversial TRUMPCUTERIE board template, and we had a bunch of people with their underwear in a knot and indicating that they wanted to cancel their orders, that they wouldn't order from us anymore. I want to remind you that we are a Canadian company. I don't care for Donald Trump. I'm not a fan, but I appreciate some people that do, and I get some of their points of view. So up here in Canada, my opinion doesn't really matter whether I like Trump, Biden, conservatives, Republicans, liberals, whatever. We sell stuff that people want to buy. That's the point here at Crafted Elements. Now, to remain politically neutral and fair, my wife convinced me that in addition to the TRUMPCUTERIE board, we now have the Bidenboard. Okay, taking advantage of an awkward situation. Okay, literally guys, you can now create a Trump board and a Biden board, and you and your conservative father-in-law or liberal brother can fight at Christmas with two different boards and see who's gonna win. Okay guys, both these board templates are available at craftedelements.com. See you later. Don't hate. Spread the love.